This is just a quick follow-up video on this VR-3010 Zenith VCR. Just did a video on. I was originally going to upload this as a short, but I kind of tried it out, and shorts don't really work with the kind of videos I make, I think. Like, there's no description, it just goes through a scroll feed. I feel like it goes out to the people who wouldn't really care about this stuff, so I'm just going to upload it as a regular short video. Let me know what you guys think. Tracking perfectly in the middle on a pre-recorded tape. Thank you to Spatsbear for pointing out how to do this. This little conical screw here will push the audio control track erase head back and forth, which affects the tracking relationship to the video head. Also got asked how this will handle an LP tape. So here's one. Recorded in LP. Very poorly. Blanked for pause. Blanked for fast forward scan. Garbage picture. What about a home recorded tape?
I am starving.
Horrible picture.